Clario's seizure diary provides a patient and caregiver-centric approach to collecting high-quality data in clinical studies that require tracking different types of seizures. To support the highest level of data quality, Clario collaborated with the Epilepsy Study Consortium to ensure seamless adjudication of seizure type classification. Let's take a look at how this works. At the study site, the clinician, in consultation with the patient and their caregivers, classifies the patient's seizure types directly within Clario's ecosystem. They can do this using a provisioned tablet or via a web browser. After selecting the patient and the appropriate study visit, they access the seizure module. Here, the clinician selects Add Seizure Type, chooses the appropriate classification from the drop-down menu, and enters a description of the seizure in the patient's or caregiver's own words. This personalized description is exactly what the patient will later see when reporting seizure events in their e-diary. This process is repeated for each seizure type the patient experiences. Once completed, the site can generate a report and share it with the ESCI for formal adjudication. If updates are needed, the form can be reopened and adjusted at any time. Patients and caregivers can access the seizure diary on their personal device, shared a study provision device, or via a web browser using the Clario at-home EcoA application. The diary is always available, so seizures can be logged shortly after they occur. In addition, a once-daily notification reminds them to complete a daily review, a key step for maintaining compliance and distinguishing between missed entries and true seizure-free days. In studies with less frequent seizures, these reviews can be configured to weekly or monthly as needed. When opening the diary, patients can view all seizures reported in the last 7 days. To log a new event, they select Add a New Seizure and then choose the seizure type from their personalized list. This patient-centric approach enhances engagement and reinforces understanding, helping to support the highest possible data quality. If a patient experiences a seizure that doesn't match any existing description, they can select New Suspected Seizure Type. This alerts the study site to follow up and potentially add a new classification to the patient's profile. After selecting the seizure type patients provide additional event details, such as the date and time and, when applicable, information like rescue medication use. Additional fields can be configured to meet your study's specific needs. Patients may log multiple seizures, and configurable recall periods allow for reporting events up to 7 days in the past. At the end of each day, a notification prompts the patient to complete their daily review. They can confirm previously logged events, add any missed seizures, or indicate that it was a seizure-free day. Thank you for your time. Please contact Clario to learn how we can support high-quality data collection in your clinical study.